Alright, gentlemen, this is 4 rounds of boxing. I want you to protect yourselves and follow my commands at all time. No hitting behind the head and keep your punches up. Is that clear? Let's go, back to your corner.
Yan po, narinig natin ang third man in the ring. Si referee Fernando Pixel II. Itong laban Bacosa with a distinct advantage. 5-9 po siya against Pangantao. Si Bacosa coming off that split draw with Jomel Kunjamat in September last year. Ito na po. Bakbakan na kaagad. Pangantao attacking Eman Bacosa. Pumagsak si Pangantao. Eman Bacosa scoring a knockdown in the first round. Some shots to the head, some shots to the body. Hindi na tatatayo to. It's over! It's over! Unbelievable ending. Umatake si Pangantao, but Eman Bacosa countering, and he's in tears. He is in tears.
Bangko.
Grabe nangyari dito. And he's on his knees, Eman Bacosa, thanking the Lord for this big victory. His first win as a professional. At tuwan-tuwa po ang ating A-Division World Champion, Senator Manny Pacquiao. You see him smiling and giving the thumbs up. Eman Bacosa scoring a first-round knockout over Noel Pangantao. And Pangantao now leaving the ring. And Eman Bacosa acknowledging the cheers of the crowd. He was in tears. And, you know, this is a landmark victory. Itong unang-unang panalo niya as a professional. Watch the punch of the round. Ito po nangyari. Umatake doon si Pangantao. So back on his heels was Eman Bacosa. And then, catching him with a flurry to the head. Yun, a right hand. A right hand to the temple. And that did the damage. Pangantao going down. And Eman Bacosa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time 32 seconds in the first round as referee Pixel stops the fight. Winner by technical knockout, Eman Bacosa.
And there is your winner, Eman Bacosa. 32 seconds of the first round, making short work of Noel Pangantao. Grabe yung nangyari. Umatake si Pangantao, and Bacosa was back on his heels. And then he went over to the ropes. His back was against the ropes. Kumounter siya. Nakatama siya ng magandang kanan to the side of the